Welcome guys, I'm Vikram Kakar, a student of ACAS Cloud Online. Today we will have a look at Azure Platform as a Service. We will have a look at the app services. So as you can see in Platform as a Service in this picture over here, Azure provides you with not only the basic infrastructure like your virtual machine, servers, storage and networking, it also offers you the operating system, middleware and runtime. So you've got very little to manage. We will primarily look at today Azure App Services. So App Services is a platform as a service in Azure. It provides single backend infrastructure to run applications in Azure. You host your app on an Azure platform. You host it on an app service plan, and on the plan you have the Azure managed backend where Azure looks after the operating system, middleware and runtime. So we will go to the Azure portal and see how to configure app service in Azure. So Azure Platform as a Service are mainly for use by developers and deployers. We will go and have a look on Azure portal how to use the Azure Platform as a Service. So we go to the Azure portal. I've created a resource group and we go to the search bar and we type app service plans. We click create. I'll select the resource group and give it a name, AP1. I'll select the operating system as Windows. Now we have several plans available over here. I'll select one of the plans. You've got plans for developers and testers, you've got plans for production, and you've got isolated plans. Isolated plans are the ones where Azure would isolate the infrastructure, will give you a part of the infrastructure to be only consumed by your application. We have few dev and test plans. So you have the F1 plan, which is a very basic plan without too many extra features. Then you have the D1 plan. If you want to have a custom domain, your own URL endpoint, or you want to integrate your own URL endpoint with the app service, you select plan D1. And you also have plan B1. If you want your app to go public, this plan offers you the SSL certificate, which is for the HTTPS access. As you know, like for example, Google will very soon be only allowing HTTPS sites. So if you have such requirements, this plan could be the one for you. You have the production plans. There are quite a few production plans. They offer you features like auto scaling, staging slots, backup slots, and then of course you have the isolated plans where you get isolated infrastructure for your own application. If say you need to follow that due to some data secrecy or data privacy laws. We will select the S1 plan today. I'll click apply and I will click create. Your plan has been deployed. Now we go to the app services and we click create. We have created the platform. Now we want to create our app. I've selected a resource group. Now I need to give a name to my app. I'll call it come on. I'll keep it code. The runtime stack, I will select ASP.v4.8 because I know this runs on Windows. Make sure you select the right region. And if you do so, Azure will select your plan automatically. You go to deployment. I'll keep it disabled right now. I'll leave most of the options to their default. I'll select no for application insights and I'll click create. So the app has been now deployed. I'll copy the URL of the app and paste it and enter. It gives you the message that your web app is running and waiting for your content. So the app has been deployed. It took literally a few minutes to create the plan and to deploy the app. Now, if we want, what we could do is we could go to the advanced tools over here. I'll click go. I'll go to the top debug console onto PowerShell. Click on the site folder, within that the www root folder. This is the HTML page and I'll click edit. I'll copy this text, paste it onto this notepad and we can see the message over here, your web app is running and waiting for your content. I'm going to amend this message and I will select all, copy. I'll delete this original content and I'll paste this amended content. I'll click save and I'll go and refresh our app page and this is a message we get, welcome to your come on app. So we played around a little bit, we changed the content. Of course you can do a lot more with it, but this is the basic. So today guys, we had a look onto Azure Platform as a Service. We saw the Azure App Services, the App Service and the App Service Plan. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.